banana peels. We normally just throw away, or feed some animals like goats. If you used to throw away banana peels, don't ever that again from today. The natural minerals like potassium, manganese, sodium, calcium and iron are highly useful. The peel's high potassium content, if taken orally, aids in maintaining normal blood pressure. What else can banana peels be used? Watch this video until the end, and we would like to hear from you in the comments below after watching. Cut the peels into pieces. Soak into water for at least 3 days. Keep closed at a safe place. After 3 days, open the jar. Stir and feed your garden vegetables or flowers those natural minerals. Repeat the process for the second time, just bury the peels near the roots of your plants. You will see a big change to your plants in 2 weeks only. Thanks you for watching. Please remember to subscribe our channel.